It's July 4th, 2018. My wife Marilyn Fairfax and I left this morning from Detour, Michigan, heading east through the North Channel. We're going to Meldrum Bay, which lies ahead of us about 15 miles at this point. We're going there to check into customs. It's not a place where we're very excited about going to other than that, but there will be a lot more in the future. This is a tour of what goes on during the daytime here in the boat. Up above we have some navigational instruments. We have a nice radio here, pretty up-to-date radio. Over here we have a hailer, which we've never used, having just bought the boat recently. The more interesting stuff is down lower. We have a Garmin 700 series GPS. Runs very nicely. You can probably see our boat on the line there. Down below it we have a Robertson autopilot, which is steering for us like it does faithfully when we want to take a break. We have an old Furuno radar that works very well, and back in the corner there's an original installation Standard Horizon GPS. It's really very primitive. And of course every good boat has to have its instruments so you can check out the function of the engine and all of that. Swinging around, we have the galley with some dishes drying, and we have a lot of food. We have a big cabinet up here that used to be full of dishes, but we filled it full of food. In the bottom area we have a nice refrigerator. It cools very well. The gas range is very nice. Down in the front, down literally, is a V berth, a very comfortable one with a bathroom off to the right. Swinging around, we have the captain's seat. Here we have Marilyn lying here, taking it easy. Hello, Marilyn. She looks like she's out for the count. She's been reading. To the rear, we see the water coming by very fast. Oh, well, it's fast to us. It really isn't very fast. It's coming by about 7 knots. We'll go out and have a look here, see what's going on. Okay, to the right or starboard side, it's the south shore of the North Channel. A couple nights ago, we grilled some steaks on the Magma grill. We have a 6 horsepower Mercury outboard, and the dinghy is quite old. It's a actual Zodiac brand dinghy. Now, typically when you're underway, you have a little clutter back here. You get your clothes from the day before and lay them out here to dry. Whether you're planning to stash them away or use them again, you need to get the moisture out of them. Now the rumble on the roar is a 135 horsepower Ford Lehman diesel. It really pushes this boat along nicely. We run it at about 1,500 to 1,700, most of the time just a little over 15. It gets quite good fuel economy, between 4 and 6 miles per gallon. For a boat this size, that's very good. We're coming around, looking forward, and you can see that we are by no means standing still here, but nonetheless, we're still going only 7 knots. The difference between this and our sailboat was that our sailboat would comfortably do 6 knots or a little more, and this thing goes at 7 relentlessly. Up above we have there's a steering station. It's quite comfortable to use. Today is a little frowsy, the weather's a little bit windy, and it's somewhat chilly up there, so it's nice to come out and have a look at the country as it goes by and then get back in the cabin. Well, visual thrills right now. So let's just shut this thing off.